Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Clara Z and I do videos on luxury handbags and fashion items. So as you can see from the thumbnail, today I'm very happy to have a unboxing. From the thumbnail, you know that they are Chanel boots from the Fall/Winter 2019-2020 collection. So without further ado, I'm going to unbox this item. While unboxing this, I'm going to tell you a bit about my thoughts and my process to get these pair of boots. So I went shopping for a pair of winter boots, and as you know, we're approaching November time, and hence I was looking for a pair of boots. Now I do have a few pair of boots, but they tend to be a bit more rocker casual style. So the Chloe Susanna boots, and I also have a pair of Givenchy boots, and they come in a very casual rocker chic style. And I wanted something that I could wear not only casually but also for work. So here is the box, and when I open up the box, there are some care cards, and of course the dust bag to put the boots in, and I am just opening that up now. I tried on a few pair of boots, but these boots really stood out to me. These are the Chanel ankle boots. So this is one side of the boot, and I'm just going to take out the other side now. So there you have it. These are my brand new Chanel ankle boots. I believe this is in a crumpled either calfskin or leather skin. The SA told me this was calfskin, but based on how soft they feel, honestly, I feel that they are lambskin. So these might be lambskin. However, based on the SA, she said these were calfskin. So if any of you see these boots at the Chanel store, do let me know if your SA tells me if these are actually lamb or calfskin. So I'm just going to show you up close what these boots look like. So this is one of them. So you can see that it has a patent leather toe cap. And the leather you can see is a bit crumpled. I don't know if that's showing up. There's the CC logo here. Here is the side. On one side, and here is the other side. It has a zipper here for easy putting on and taking off your boots, and the heel from based on the website is 55 millimeters or 5.5 centimeters, so very comfortable height. And this is the other side, and these are lace ups. So obviously you can lace up the boots to the desired tightness, but on a day-to-day basis it is a zipper here, so you could put on or take them off very quickly, just like this. So you can see here it has some gold grommets along there, and they're just basic black laces. It has a CC logo here and a zipper at the back. And these are the bottom of the boots. I did take them to get soles on them to make them last longer. Apparently you don't have to, but I just like to get rubberized soles on them so that they're less slippery, and hopefully they will last me longer, as these are expensive shoes and I want to be able to wear them for as long as I can. So what really drew me to these shoes, the fact they were extremely lightweight. I felt that these boots were even lighter than some of my shoes, and this really surprised me because it didn't look too interesting on the rack, but as soon as I put them on, I really liked them because the heel height was good. I feel like I can walk on these all day, and they were really extremely light. Wear these together with either pants or even skirts. I do plan on wearing these to work. I don't care if people think they look too casual. These look so good, and I really love these boots, and I do want to get a lot of wear out of them. So I really can't wait until the weather drops a little bit more, because I live in Hong Kong, and so sometimes the weather is quite humid, but I'm so glad that the weather is getting cooler. So I do plan on wearing these as much as I can, and so I'm really excited for that. And if you want to see some modeling shots of me wearing these boots, I'm going to insert them after the video. So I hope you have enjoyed the unboxing, and if you are considering a pair of winter boots for the coming winter, I do highly recommend these shoes, as they are very lightweight, very chic, and I feel these will go with everything. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or comments below, please feel free to leave them down below, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Have a great day. Bye now.